spending some time right now cleaning up some of these used parts we collected when we went out to that airplane hangar. We have a bunch of really cool 108, 109 stuff that I'm kind of working on today. And in about a month, we're gonna get all this stuff listed up on the website. So if you're on the look of some good used parts for Mercedes, there's gonna be a huge amount of parts increase hitting up on the website. So let's take a look at this. We got a set of 108, 109 Euro style headlights. We're gonna get these cleaned up and listed. We have a steering wheel for the 109, 108 series Mercedes. We also have a fuel pump from the same era Mercedes car. We're not sure if this fuel pump is actually working, so we're going to test that before we put it on the site. A module for the air suspension unit for the 108, 109. Same thing, we need to test this to see if it's functioning. And this, I'm not sure what this is. Dad, what do you think this is?
I know what that is. We should have a contest, see if our viewers know what that is. But that is a brand new NOS water pump off an M189 engine. Joel, that thing is really valuable.
Well, that's really cool. So if you've been looking for some Mercedes parts, stay tuned in the next month. We're going to have a lot of cool used parts listed up on the website.